What's up YouTube? What's up YouTube? How's it going? Here today we're going to talk about what is a website and a sales funnel. When it comes to growing your business, whether it's bigger, better, faster, and having a consistent flow of leads, customers, and sales, it's a simple case of whether you're going to build a website or you're going to build a sales funnel. Remember this: leads, customer, sales. We're going to talk about a website first. Traffic arrives from a post, ad campaign, using Facebook, using Google or Instagram. With a website, there's many options for the user to go in and visit. And there's also lots of opportunity to lose your customer because of everything that your website has. Your website, it's going to help you with your credibility and authority, depending on your social output. A website can also help people who are searching for you via Google, Bing, or any other search engines. But this only works if you're using good SEO tactics. So if you have a website, search what SEO tactics you should be using. Just remember, a website alone will not make you money. Let's talk a little bit about funnels, my favorite. Funnels, traffic flows linearly from one point of entry to a sequence of actions, right? This is the general idea. So I want to stick with the general idea to help clarify the difference between a website and a funnel. With a funnel, you can identify leaks, see where your customers are dropping off. The goal is to optimize these leaks with user engagement. They're in the sales funnel, you can provide them with free ebooks, free informational videos, free PDFs. Now, what is your customer like, or what does your customer want? The key is understanding your customers and provide them with value. Remember that, value. Funnels offer a defined path for users to follow, leading the consumer through 4 stages: awareness, consideration, conversion, and loyalty. Let's talk about awareness. The awareness stage. Does the user have a problem to solve? Consideration stage. Researching and considering possibilities. In this stage, you give the customer everything they need to know about what is it that they're searching for and what are all the possibilities that they have. The conversion stage. The user is ready to become a customer, right? So the conversion experience, it can't be clunky. Understand your customer, what's going to be very important, and the type of value that you can give your customer when creating a funnel. So virtually every business should use sales funnels, whether it's for lead generation, product launches, flash sales, high-ticket affiliate webinars, or maybe free challenges. The goal of your marketing funnels will always be generate leads, convert them into customers, and get your customers to buy more. Sales funnels and websites can work together, but funnels are greater specifically in terms of goals and target audience. The best approach: use one or the other. See how they complement each other for your business. Thank you for joining me today, guys. We went over websites and what are sales funnels. And if you're interested about learning about sales funnels and actually having hands-on experience, I took a challenge that taught me almost everything I know about sales funnel and how to implement them. Everything you learn is transferable to your business. In my mind, 2021 should be a year that invest in yourself. It's 30-day challenge. I posted a link in my description, so if you're interested, check it out. And let's say you take the challenge, you can go and find other funnel builders to help you, create the funnels that you need. ClickFunnels just provides, the education that you need to kind of start up your business and create your funnel. My next video, I'll go more in depth on funnels and why they're so powerful, and hopefully you've got some value out of this. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and let me hear what you think in the comments. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Peace.